To view the BlueWave list, just click on the blue button and wait for them to appear. Select BlueWave in case there are other Technosoft devices transmitting via Bluetooth. While we are waiting for the loggers to show up, note that the disk interface is not needed for the BlueWave connection. The PC must support Bluetooth 5.0 or higher communication. Check that it is enabled. Never associate the BlueWave directly to the Bluetooth via Windows control panel. The device transmits to TS Manager 3 only. Let's select our BlueWaves and click Next. As for any other device, a programming profile is necessary. If you don't have a compatible one, click on Profiles and add it. Click on Next after choosing the profile and wait for the mission to start. It might take a while. As soon as the second data is received, the graph will be drawn. On this screen we can watch real-time data, and they will be finally available in the mission's archive, once they have been downloaded from the device. In this box you can calculate lethality in real time. Just set a reference temperature, for example 121 degrees, and a Z value of 10. While we wait that icon figures, if you need more information about lethality, just check the FAQ section on our Technosoft U website. Here you'll find all relevant parameters explained. Let's go back to our real-time graph. The lethality is 0 at the moment because the temperature value is too low to calculate a lethality with a reference of 121 degrees Celsius, like the one we have set. As you close, the mission won't be interrupted. You can resume it by selecting the loggers and clicking on Real Time, or close it by downloading their data. Let's wait that download is complete. Go back to the mission's archive and find the stopped mission. With a click we can see a preview, and double-clicking it will open the graph and the data table.